Hi guys, Max Perez from Digital Octopus, and today I am excited because we finally have in our hands our digital cluster for the 2010 to 2015 Chevrolet Camaro. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go over this product. I'm just gonna open it up, show you guys how it's what it looks like inside. I'm just gonna spin the box around here. It says all digital liquid crystal meter. It's in a Linux system, 12.3 inch screen, high resolution 1920 by 720. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna pause the video and I'll be right back. All right, so once the top comes off, we have our vessel right here, and it matches perfectly with the factory. I'm just gonna peel it off just a tad bit. There it is, nice and shiny, brand new. I'm gonna put this aside. This is one of the easiest installations as far as wires. Everything is plug and play. You only basically need one wire, and this is for the USB here, and then the rest is inside that plugs into your factory wire. So I'm gonna put this aside and I'm gonna take off the top. And here we have our system, nicely packed. So this is one of our first exclusive products for Digital Octopus. Even though we have the CC-1015 and DO-1015, there's other sellers that could sell it, but it's not the same. It's not the same materials. That's why ours is a little bit different. But this one here is going to be exclusively sold on Digital Octopus Traders. You can only get this from us. So this is the digital cluster, and in the back it has space for one connection that goes to your factory. It has another one up here. We'll get to that later. And everything else is very nice, nice firm plastic. I'm gonna plug this right in here, and this is all you need. This is to upgrade your system or whatever needs to be done to it right here. So there it is. So let's go to the car and get this installed.